We've just gotten into our transfer to take us to Kyllini port, which is where the ferries are to get to Zakynthos. So today's the day. We're going to the islands. Very, very exciting. We are sweating like crazy, but we've made it on the ferry. It doesn't depart until 1 o'clock. The time is now 12:36. We're just sit here, we're under the aircon. Alright, we are here on the boat on our way to Zakynthos. I really hope this mic is working. Let's have a look. It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look how close the cars are parked. Yeah, there's no way. Oh my. Is that Zakynthos? Lovely. We have made it to Zakynthos. Let's go. Not that they follow the fucking road rules here, but let's go. We're just taking a short 10-minute walk to our Airbnb. This is pretty. Alright, we've made it to our Airbnb. It is so cute. So I just want to give you a little tour. This is the kitchen, very cute little kitchenette. The living room, which is perfect size. It's so cute. We've got a washing machine, and this is the room my brother and I will be sharing, so 1 bed each. Oh, I cannot believe we're in Zakynthos. How exciting. We've just stumbled upon this church on the way to the mini market to buy some groceries just for the house. It is so beautiful. Go to the souvenirs. Yeah. Alright. Magnet. Oops. Additional.
It's pork wrapped in a long strip and cooked in a rotisserie. So chop it up in front of you and put it in a souvlaki with garlic sauce, lettuce, tomato chips. Yeah, sorry, onions, tomato chips and garlic sauce. And it's quite juicy. Yeah.
I don't know. We're going to eat a spartakos. Wait.
What is it? Was this something they're getting appetizer?
We've now got our seafood platter.
These motherfuckers are everywhere.
Black honey, Zakynthos no. Τα γύρω θα σας πω. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.
Ευχαριστώ. That was actually not bad. I feel like fresh is best.
$5, not bad.
Hello everybody, we are at Banana Beach in Zakynthos. This is our second day here. The water is absolutely beautiful. Do you like the water? I love it. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, the water here is absolutely so clear. Let me show you. We got here very early and it is not busy at all. You're a big dog.
My dollars? Love you.
We are in the van on the way to start our tour for Zakynthos, which is very exciting because we get to see things that you can only get to by boat certain places, and certain things that might be a little bit too scared to drive to here in the island because the roads are crazy. So let's begin. I'm very excited. Oh wow, what a beautiful view. This is incredible. This is one of the viewpoints, the first stop on our little tour. We just went into this beautiful church. Today is a massive name day in Greece, so very, very exciting. Lots of celebrations everywhere today. You can see the bottom of the ocean from up here. Incredible. I think this is called Sea Beach.
Bravo, πάμε! Όπα! Ζορμπάς!
We've just stopped at a pretty lookout. This is stunning. Oh my god, apparently that's Kefalonia as well. Stunning. Look at that water. Oh my god.
From the civil...
We are here at another stop of the 5th oldest olive tree in the world, here in Zakynthos. Wow, look at the roots of this tree. That's crazy. Wow. Oh my god, that is one old tree. Wow. I like this bag.
Yeah, very nice.
This is a beautiful little area for tourists with the olive tree there and little market here to try local products. It's actually really yummy local products and the best homemade wine. Oh, lovely. It's beautiful.
Είναι πολύ καλός άνθρωπος.
Ωραίος.
Ο κύριος Δημήτρης. Στην υγεία μας, χρόνια πολλά πάνω.
Ευχαριστώ. Χρόνια πολλά.
Το όνομά σας? Διονύσης. Διονύσης. Όλοι εδώ είναι. Αυτό είναι πολύ ωραίο.
That is some good homemade wine. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, there's just donkeys. Look at the donkeys. Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
The last 4 seasons, because of some safety measures that the government took, they found some pieces of rock was over the ditch and over the bay, which are ready to come down. So because first priority and in a few seconds, in our left side, we're gonna see that exists outside here is the one that you can see behind the boat. So here we're gonna visit one in our front, it's around 26 meters. bit after that, the next thing we're gonna do is to make our second swimming stop. But as I told you before, you might enjoy it more than the first one. And for sure, it's gonna be very different from the first one too.
Hello. What's up? The video, it's a video. Ooh, look at the food. Hello everybody. We're here in the shopping strip in Zakynthos. We're just checking out a few shops here, having a look around, see what's here. Tomorrow morning we're leaving to go to the next island, so Doris and I are making full use of today. Ordered a frappe and water from this little cute corner shop in the cafe. Mum, what do you think? Absolutely beautiful. The froth, the water, the consistency, just perfect. Some of them make it too runny, too much froth or too little water, but for me, this is perfect with a lot of ice. Hi everyone, so like my mother's just said, we're here in Zakynthos in the shopping strip, which is really cool. Just ordered a frappe, I got a water because it is so hot here. The sun and the weather is no joke in all of Greece. But I just want to give you some of our reviews so far of Zakynthos. We did a boat tour yesterday, which you would have seen in the clips. It was stunning. It was so beautiful. Some of the clearest, cleanest water I have ever seen and swam in my life. We swam at 2 swimming spots on the boat, and one of them was a blue cave, and it was just something next level. Like, I will come here and do that all over again. It was so worth it. So this is your sign. If you're hanging out to book a boat tour here in Zakynthos, do it. 100% recommend. For yourself, for you, your partner, your family, like, just do it. Thank you everyone for watching this vlog. Zakynthos was such a fun island. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more Greece vlogs, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!